I'm hoping that this ain't too hard to believe. Cause baby, you're the only one for me. I know it get hard when I'm moving in and out of state, but I promise my heart for you I would say, just remember that no matter how far I go, and no matter how long it takes, no one or nothing can change. Forever yours, here I stand.
Gives this beautiful woman, Sommer Star King, to be married to this handsome young man, Cole Huff.
Let go of a prayer for
we do. All right, there you go.
Just a sweet word. The table is prepared for you.
We want to welcome you and thank you for your travels and attending this special day, one of the most important days of Cole and Sommer's lives. May I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Cole and Sommer Huff.
Wishing you Godspeed, glory. There will be mountains you won't move.
We went through this before, acting like the elves can't bag them no more. Nightgown dragging on the heated marble floor. Flash Cartier when you open up the door. Slide these on, baby. So butter, still relate to the gutter. Just your lifestyle's different, spirit uplifted. Fell in love with a cat who's gifted. Journey back to paradise, damn I missed it. Pop a bottle, light a purple candle. I got something that you can't quite handle. That's why you love me. Glow from the flame, make your skin shine lovely. I'm saying, baby, touch it, why don't ya? 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 Hey